this video, I'm going to be telling you how birth control pills work. So just watch this video until the end. Let's get started. Now, remember that for pregnancy to occur, you must have this ovulation, fertilization, and then implantation. Ovulation, usually there's a release of the ovum or the egg from the ovary, and then that released ovum or egg meets with the sperm, okay, after intercourse, and then the sperm combines with the egg, the process known as fertilization, and then that product that is formed has to go and implant within the uterus, okay, in the process known as implantation. Okay, that is under normal circumstances for pregnancy to occur. Birth control pills have what they call estrogen or progesterone, depending on the component of a particular pill. We have the combined oral contraceptives, and then we have the POPs, progesterone oral contraceptives as well, okay? Or probably the constituents of the birth control pills might have the analogs of these hormones, okay? So stay tuned. Now, under normal circumstances, let me show you what happens. So under normal circumstances, we have the hypothalamus, which usually releases what they call the gonadotropin releasing hormone, which is already known as the GnRH. So it stimulates the anterior pituitary gland to produce what they call the follicle stimulating hormone and the luteinizing hormone. Okay, these go into the ovary. The ovary produces estrogen as well as the progesterone. Okay, now remember that there's also production of this what they call the luteinizing hormone. So this luteinizing hormone is also responsible for ovulation. So remembering that for fertilization to occur, there must be ovulation, the egg is released into the fallopian tube, and then we have what they call fertilization. Now, in the case of the birth control pills, which contain progesterone, probably also estrogen, depending on what pill you're taking, either a PO, a progesterone only pill, or the combined oral contraceptive pill, okay? Now, depending on that, so when you take those pills contain those two, probably one of these. Now, these activate the negative feedback on the brain, so that we are not releasing the GnRH, the gonadotropin releasing hormone. Henceforth, there will be a decline, there will be inhibition of the release of the FSH and the LH from the anterior pituitary gland. What does that mean? That means that because LH, which is responsible for ovulation, is not being released, okay, that means we have no ovulation. And if you have no ovulation, we are not going to have what they call fertilization to occur. Another mode of action is that these pills, usually they promote thickening of the cervical mucus, which prevent sperm penetration. Okay, so that means the sperm does not pass through the female reproductive tract to cause what they call fertilization. Okay, so that is basically what I can tell you about the birth control pills and how they work. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. See you next time.